How to remove malware or virus from your Google Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you some steps or methods, and you can easily get right on your malware if it is affected to Chrome browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. So guys, first step you have to take, just open your Chrome browser and check your Chrome browser up to date or not. Just click on three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you have to check Chrome is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, then it will be start updating automatically. After update, you can see here one option that say relaunch your Chrome browser. So you need to just relaunch your Chrome browser. After relaunch, you have to move on the second step. Just click on three dot option again, go to the settings, and here just scroll down, and here you can see the your left side. Here you can see the address option bar. Just come to the reset and clean up. So you can restore your all setting. Just click on reset setting. It won't affect your bookmark history, save password. Okay, it will not be affected. It is only reset your Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts. It is disable extension. You can enable again from here, and it is delete cookies and other temporary site. Just reset it, and now here you have to clean up the computer. So here you can find the harmful software in your computer which is affected your Chrome. So just find it, or you can also report this harmful software if it is find. So you can select this one and just find. It will be scan your computer. If okay, so you can see here any harmful software in your computer which is affected your Chrome browser. So when you find, just go to your control panel and go to the uninstall program and find out this software from here. Right click on it and just uninstall. Okay, I don't have any software. Just find out that software which if it is show here, then just come here and just uninstall. Okay, and restart your computer. This next step, that if you're getting any notification at down right corner here, like bad news, bad ads, anything, if you're getting here and you can think that your Chrome browser is affected from malware, so you can go to the privacy and security here. Just scroll down, go to the settings, and just scroll down, and we need to go in notification, and here you have to select don't allow the site to send notification. And here in customize behavior, you have to check here if there any site added here, like this. If I add any site here, okay, so it will be show like this, any site. If it is unknown, just click on it and remove it. You have to remove all site from here and select this option, come back. Okay, you can also if you want, you can come to the additional content setting, and from here go to the insecure content, and if there is any website in this section, you can remove from here again. And you can also delete the history. If you want, you can clear the browsing history from here all time. Select history and whatever you want, and you can remove from here. Okay, so these steps, all steps you can follow, and you 100% or 99% your problem will be fixed. If still there, so just come to the Chrome and download Chrome browser again, and come to the official site and download Chrome browser from this official site. Okay, so just download it and reinstall with your existing file. It won't affect your bookmark history and all anything. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.